today's video. Best gas cooktop 36-inch.
Hi, in this video we're going to take a close look at the best products on the market. We have spent our quality time in selecting these products so that you can have an easy time when buying. There are lots of different features that we took into account. We also analyzed many customer reviews to find the best products. If you choose from our list, you can be sure that you'll be buying a great product. And make sure to check the product links down below in the description to see their price and find out more information. Let's not waste any more time and get started with the video.
Best gas cooktop 36-inch.
Starting off our list at number 6. Are our ratings for this product. At number 5. Ratings for this product. And number 4 in the list. Are our ratings for this product. At number 3. These are our ratings for this product. At number 2. These are our ratings for this product. At number 1. These are our ratings for this product. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions about the products,